Okay, AP Theory, this is Chapter 5 Homework, Part 1, pages 35 and 36. This is due Monday morning, and I wanted to make sure I got you a little bit of help over the weekend. So, exercise 5-1, criticize each melody in terms of the rules for simple melodies discussed on pages 66 through 69. So, you are looking for rhythm issues. There will not be any. You are looking for harmony issues. Does each note, is each note written, harmonized by the chord that is there? You need to be very careful with this B flat. Do you have an interesting or uninteresting contour? I would be very careful with number 3 when you're dealing with contour. Do you have leaps that are funny, that are one, difficult, that are two, things that shouldn't be there? For example, is your ascending sixth here approached from above? You need to check out tendency tones. If you have a leading tone, does it resolve? If you have a leading tone, does it resolve to 1? Okay, so check out those leading tones. And you are looking for things that are wrong in each of these areas. When you move down to section B, compose simple melodies that will conform to these progressions. Like we talked about in class today, you want to make sure that you know what key you're in. You're in B flat. The key signature is correct. You want to start with tonic. You want to end with tonic, and in this case, because there are 3 beats in a measure, we know that this final note is going to be a half note. And you also, I dotted half note to cover the 3 beats. You also want a leading tone here. So you can go through and start each of these examples with tonic, leading tone tonic, as long as it sets up like that. So let's take a look here. Page 36. We can line these up in the same way. On exercise 2, we are in 3/4 time and we are in D minor. So we are going to start on tonic. There's our D. And you can start this in another octave up if you would like. We're going to end it on tonic. I'm going to start this an octave up here. We're in 3/4 time, so we need a dotted half note. End it here. And we are going to have a leading tone. Do not forget that in a 5 in minor, you need to raise that leading tone. Okay? Please be very careful that we do not go with a major, an augmented second here, so this cannot be a B flat. Be very careful with that. That B flat will be one of your choices in this triad. Be very careful with that. And finally, on exercise 3, we are in the key of G major. We're in 4/4 time. So we are going to start on a G. We're going to end on a G. That'll be a whole note because we're in 4/4 time. And we're going to use our F sharp as our leading tone here. Okay, that should get you started on all of your homework. Again, this is due Monday morning in class. We will review the answers in class, and we will move forward to Homework 5-2. Have a good weekend.